An upright vacuum may be your best bet if your home is on a single level, but if you live in a multi-level home, a canister vacuum is likely a better choice. While both work well across multiple surfaces, canister vacuums typically come with more attachments and tools for hard-to-reach spots and are generally easier to maneuver and carry, particularly while cleaning stairs. Most use disposable bags, which trap allergens and dust as well as the typical larger sediment, a major selling point for allergy sufferers. If you're shopping for a new vacuum for your home, the best canister vacuums offer powerful suction and impressive versatility. These are the best canister vacuums we recommend, as well as the key considerations to keep in mind as you shop. Number 1. Miele Classic C1 Vacuum Cleaner. Miele is one of the most well-known canister vacuum brands, and its Classic C1 Pure Suction Vacuum is one of the highest-rated models that the brand offers. This mid-priced model offers 6 suction settings that you can change based on the type of flooring that you're cleaning. Plus, the floor head has an easy-to-operate switch that lets you change between hard floors and carpeting. This is great for homes with multiple flooring types throughout. And, considering it's a relatively lightweight 13 pounds, it isn't cumbersome to carry around if you need to. The canister vacuum offers powerful suction and captures dust and dirt in its air clean filter system, and while it doesn't have a HEPA filter, it still does a great job preventing allergens from escaping back into your home. It also comes with several accessories for dusting, cleaning upholstery, and more, and its motor is backed by a 7-year warranty. Number 1. Miele Classic C1 Vacuum Cleaner. While canister vacuums are typically known for their carpet cleaning prowess, this Dyson is specifically designed to perform well on all flooring as well. The vacuum head features nylon bristles to pull up dust and dirt that's deep within your floors. With a bagless design and no-touch dirt ejector, it's also a good choice for people with allergies. Other highlights include a curved handle for better grip as you lift it up for walls, a generous 21-foot-long cord, and a self-righting mechanism so it won't accidentally tip over while you clean. Its 5-year warranty is another plus. Number 3. Shark Pet Canister Vacuum. The standout feature on this canister vacuum is its roller head, which lifts up small particles that traditional rollers tend to miss, and you can use it on both carpet and hard floors. It's also designed to prevent hair from getting trapped in the mechanism. The vacuum comes with a completely sealed internal HEPA filter, so no dust or allergens are spewed back out into the air after they have been vacuumed up. Another plus is an LED light on the front so you can see dirt and dust in dark corners and under furniture. One of the standout features of this vacuum is the self-cleaning brush roll with Power Fins technology. This design ensures that pet hair is actively lifted from surfaces without getting tangled around the brush roll, which is a common problem with traditional vacuums. Power Fins also maintain continuous contact with carpets and floors, giving you deep cleaning on every pass, even on tricky surfaces like thick rugs or hardwood floors. Number 4. Kenmore 400 Series Bagged Canister Vacuum Cleaner. You'll be able to clean virtually any surface in your home with the Kenmore 400 Series Canister Vacuum, which comes with its own handy attachment set. In addition to its carpet floor head, which offers 4 height settings, the vacuum includes a hard floor tool, an upholstery and dusting brush, and a crevice tool. You'll also get a clip for storing all the accessories right on the wand for easy access. This bagged canister vacuum has a HEPA filtration system to capture dust and allergens, and its telescoping wand is useful for cleaning in hard-to-reach areas. However, it may not be the best choice for pet owners, as it doesn't include a tool for pet hair. 2-motor system excels in suction strength. 4 height adjustments provide optimal airflow and cleaning efficiency for any surface. Extendable lightweight wand lengthens to 9.5 feet of reach to access difficult areas. Detachable handle is perfect for cleaning furniture, car interiors, and tight spaces. Number 5. Kenmore Elite Bagged Canister Vacuum. This 22-pound bagged Kenmore features a 26-foot retractable cord and 4 versatile tools for tackling any surface in your home, car, or garage. This vacuum is especially good at tackling pet hair, dander, and dirt with the motorized pet hair remover literally pulling it up as you pass over your furniture. For day-to-day use on your carpets, the Ultra Plush nozzle automatically adjusts to carpet thickness as you vacuum so you're always getting a close, effective clean. The enhanced HEPA filter also traps 99.97% of debris inside the vacuum bag, so it's ideal if you have pets or allergies. Its lightweight design and extended telescoping wand provide easy maneuverability, reaching tight spots and high areas. The retractable cord and 3 included cleaning tools, dusting brush, crevice tool, and bare floor tool, add to its versatility. The vacuum's powerful suction works on both carpets and hardwood floors, making it a perfect all-in-one solution for a pet-friendly home. Number 6. Miele Complete C3 Cat and Dog Canister Vacuum. If you're willing to spend top dollar for a powerful and convenient vacuum, the Miele Complete C3 Cat and Dog is worth the splurge. This high-end vacuum has a convenient telescoping wand and a large, powerful floor head, and there are 6 suction levels that you can select via the foot switch controls. This canister vacuum comes with a hard floor attachment that rotates 180 degrees to get into tight corners, and even has an activated charcoal filter which neutralizes odors in your home as you pass over them. Additionally, the vacuum includes several other accessories, such as a dusting brush, an upholstery tool, a crevice nozzle, and a mini turbo brush for specialized cleaning throughout your home. It also has easy brush removal, a handy clog removal door, and an orange warning light with automatic shutoff for brush roller obstructions. The warning light also remains illuminated during use when brush height is set too high for optimal cleaning or when the brush roller should be replaced due to reaching maximum bristle wear. Number 7. Sebo Airbelt K3 Canister Vacuum. With a 20-foot cord and a 34-foot operating range, this canister vacuum is great for spacious homes with high ceilings. The extended reach gives you the advantage of plugging in and vacuuming an entire room without needing to change outlets. Plus, the pole is long enough to reach crevices and corners without strain. It's also relatively lightweight at a mere 13 pounds. While the canister vacuum does not come with an internal HEPA filter, it does have an S-class microfilter which catches up to 99.9% of particles larger than 0.3 microns. In contrast, without bags to hold nearly all the captured dirt, the microfilters on bagless vacuums quickly clog from excessive dirt buildup and must be replaced often, or a loss of suction and cleaning effectiveness will occur. In addition, dust and other allergens become airborne when emptying bag-less dirt containers. Lastly, bagless vacuum microfilters are expensive, usually costing more than a multi-year supply of Sebo filter bags. Number 8. Bissell Hard Floor Expert Canister Vacuum. Most canister vacuums clean hard floors efficiently, but this 13-pound Bissell with a bagless dirt container takes it to a new level. This canister vacuum has an air-powered rotating brush head specifically designed to extract dust and debris from grout lines and crevices in wood and laminate floors. It also features an attachment for carpets. Despite this powerful design, the canister vacuum is still relatively lightweight at just 13 pounds. The canister itself also comes with an easy-to-grip handle that makes traveling up and down the staircase with it a breeze. The bagless design also makes emptying out your canister easy. Simply unlock it from the roller, open the top and pour it directly into the trash can. Additional cleaning tools are stored on board for convenient access as you clean. When you are finished, the cord will automatically rewind with a push of a button. Power source, corded.